Hi, my name is Carolina and I'm a patient of Dr. Satey. I had the VASER Lipo 360 done and honestly it has changed my life. I feel really comfortable with the work that they have done. I am just so excited already to try on all the clothes that I had been dying to try on, and it's making my life so excited. When I met Dr. Satey and the team, I honestly felt very comfortable. He answered all the questions. He made me feel that I was in the right hands, and I really did appreciate that we went through a whole exam before we decided to move on with the procedure. I can honestly say that I think a lot of the girls, a lot of women, especially at my age, are looking for ways to just always feel young, always feel better about themselves, especially when they're looking at themselves in the mirror after having kids, after just a daily life routine. This is definitely a way to compensate yourself, to feel better about yourself, the way you feel better in your own clothing and your own skin. And it just brings in a smile to say, hey, I can still look good at this age. Some of the concerns that I had prior to the procedure was, if everything was going to be okay, if I wasn't going to bleed to death, or just those are things that we think about. And if my skin was gonna go back to being tight, and he did answer that. And I'm already on week 5, and I honestly say that the lymphatic aftercare massages is a must. And I'm already on number 17 of my massages, and that has helped heal the body a lot faster than I expected. The way I would describe the consultation prior to the surgery, honestly, was very comfortable. It was a space where the doctor and I got to interact. Chemistry-wise, you have to feel chemistry between the doctor and yourself, because that's just the way someone will feel comfortable in exposing, your body, or just letting them put you to sleep under anesthesia. You have to feel comfortable. And I really felt that when I met him and the team, and how we went through the process, the aftermath, anything that I had concerns about, and then just feeling good about myself and about the team. The team's excellent. They have always been there prior to the surgery, answering all the questions, making sure that I had all my pre-op exams taken care of, following up, and then aftercare. They provide you with the service, even the post-op lymphatic massages. They're always there. I remember one of my drains was bothering me like crazy, and I called Dr. Satey on a Sunday, and it was a holiday that Monday. He still opened the office just for me so that we can remove the drainage, and I'm very thankful for that. That's a great aftercare mat. The day after surgery was a little interesting because, yes, I had some pain, but thankfully they do prescribe you with enough pain medication that you don't really need to suffer. I think for me it was the first time I had drains in my body, and that was a little scary and new to me, but pain a little bit. It was just the uncomfortness of the drainage, and that was pretty much it. And then just getting to know. But aside from that, you're so excited because you're already seeing some of the results that you're like, okay, well, no one's beautiful without pain. This surgery has definitely changed my life. I think it's the way I carry myself. I feel great about myself. I'm just dying for Dr. Satey to say, all right, go shopping, because I'm already trying on different types of clothes that I would never think about wearing before. And it's an exciting journey. I'm so glad I did it. And I recommend it. Honestly, it's worth it. And don't hesitate. It's all about feeling good about yourself, and you can still look good at the mid-age lifestyle. If you're thinking about getting this done, honestly, find the right doctor, get all your answers questions, make sure you have chemistry with the team. And if you feel comfortable, please go ahead and do it. It does change your lifestyle. It changes the way you feel. It changes the way you look. It changes just the way you just go around your day. What I would like to say to the team and Dr. Satey is thank you, thank you, thank you. It has changed my life. It has changed the way I look at myself, the way I feel. I'm very thankful. The team has been great. All the follow-ups, they're always accessible. And I just feel really good, and I highly recommend him, and I see them as friends now. I am like so in with Mel, which is the one that takes care of me on all my lymphatic massages, and he's awesome. You have a whole team here for everything. So good luck.